One of the most important considerations to think of when designing your yard is connection. And what do I mean by that? Connection to the home and the space. When we're creating a space for our clients, we're not just thinking about what happens when you step outside. We're thinking about creating one continuous, holistic space, uniting the location of the home itself, and the yard we design. All three of these things have to be taken into consideration. We can't ignore any of these elements. And it's this connection that sets the tone for the entire yard. And if it's off, everything's gonna feel off. So let me show you some important things to keep in mind when you're thinking about connection in your yard, your home, and its location. So we'll start in the front yard. And for 99% of homes, the facade that faces a street is the part of the home that has the most architectural character. Now, what does this mean for the landscape design? This means that whatever the character of the home is will override any design choices we make in the front yard. So let's say you have a more traditional English cottage style home facade. Would that work to put mid-century modern garden elements in the front? Absolutely not. Now, you may happen to love mid-century modern garden elements, but we have to remember that the facade sets the tone, especially for the front yard. In the backyard, we have a little bit more flexibility. But the goal we're trying to achieve, once again, is unity and connection to the home and the space. So in the front, let's say you do have a more traditional looking front, we would want the front to reflect that. Now, does traditional mean outdated? Does it have to look old-fashioned? Absolutely not. There's subtle ways we can make it still look modern, but we want to make sure at the end of the day that everything is cohesive and not competing against the beauty of the facade of your home. So now let's move past the facade and into the home itself. So you may think, as landscape designers, this isn't something you need to consider. This is the world of interiors, a totally different design subset, but actually it is so important for our work as well. And the reason being is that it frames everything that we're looking at in the backyard. So a lot of times we'll request photos from our clients' interiors because, first of all, we want to understand what's your overall interior design aesthetic and style, and what are some elements that we could either reference or pull from and reflect in the backyard. So we want to make sure that there's stylistic cohesion. And then on top of that, we really want to think about views. So when our clients tell us, from the moment I open my front door, I want my guests and anyone who visits my home, their jaw to drop as they have a straight shot to the backyard, and I want something that's going to be so unexpected and truly amazing. So for us, we're always thinking about where's the location of the front door, and if there's not a clear view from the front door, what are the primary viewing locations, whether it be the living spaces, a dining room, a primary suite area. So many areas that we do take in consideration as we're thinking about being in the house and looking towards the backyard, almost like looking at a framed portrait. If you're enjoying these ideas, please take a minute to check out our design portfolio on our website. So we've talked about connecting spaces in the front, in the interior, and now let's move to the backyard. So I will say the backyard, out of all these spaces I've mentioned, is the one that we do have the greatest flexibility of design styles. And why is that? The reason being, please go in your own backyard and look back at your house, and you'll see that very few homes have a lot of architectural details on the back. Most homes on the back view are primarily windows and doors. Obviously, you can see the siding of the home, maybe a little bit of the roof line, depending on the style, but really it is kind of a blank face. Now, the great thing about it is that, let's say you did want to go way more modern and you do have a more traditional home, as long as the back of your home is a little bit more blank faced, there actually is not going to be design conflict. And the reason is, once again, there's really no character in the home itself on that back view, and so all the character will be transferred to the backyard space, and we can really just run with whatever area speaks to you in that specific part. And so really we can choose any design style that truly speaks to you. Now, there is one caveat, and this is really planting style. Now, obviously with plants, first of all, we're always limited by the climate zones. For anyone that's not aware, there's a USDA numbered zone. Every home in the USA falls into one of these zones, and there's certain plants that will thrive and grow easily, and others where they could possibly die every single winter. So we want to make sure, first of all, that we're choosing plants that grow well in their area. They don't all have to be native, but definitely plants that grow well. What do I mean by that is that, let's say we're designing in Boston, and we have had this happen where a client in Boston definitely wanted a tropical palette. Is that possible to achieve? Yes, but understanding that a lot of those tropical plants are not going to make it through every year. And also it doesn't really fit the overall location of where we are. Are there any ways to incorporate plants that have more of a tropical vibe? Absolutely. But just understand that depending on your location, we can't always recreate every single plant palette that might be there. Obviously in California, we do have some of the widest ranges of what we could plant, but in other areas we are going to be limited. And understand too that it would feel out of place if we created, for example, a desert landscape in an area that was very far from the desert itself. If you're ready to create a yard that feels like an extension of your home, our team would love to help. Click the link in the description to book a free consultation and start planning your dream space today.